Okay, this might be a dumb question, but I'm going to go ahead and ask it anyways. Do you have any scrap in your garage or your shop that you want to make something out of? I did, so I decided to make these Christmas trees. Last year I did a different design, sold fantastic. I sold out of them by the end of the season, and I wanted to change it up this year. So this is what I'm going to do. What's up, y'all? My name's Andy. This is EPS Garage. Welcome to my channel. And remember to hit that thumbs up and comment if you like the video. I really enjoy answering the comments. I think I answer 99.9%, if not 100%. Okay, so I follow several woodworking groups on Facebook. In one of them, well, actually in all of them, people have been posting these Christmas trees. Different designs, all different takes on it. So I figured, hey, why not jump on the bandwagon? Great way to use my scrap. That's what I did here. And somebody posted some really good dimensions. I guess they said they were a math teacher or something and figured it all out. Well, it works out great. I used theirs, so thank you to whoever that was. And this is my design, my take on it. So I hope you enjoy. And I'm also going to show you how to use, how I made, not how to use, I guess we'll show you how to use it too, but how I made a fixture to hold all this, to put it together. And you can make it the same way repetitively every single time. And it speeds up the process. Trying to put these together without a fixture is a pain and it takes a while. Enjoy. Like I said, I already had these cutoffs laying around. They're about 1.5 inches wide and they're actually about 30 inches long. And I just produce these every time I'm cutting down for the frame for the whiskey taps that I make. The beauty here with these is it doesn't matter how wide it is. It can be any width. You're just laying it in there and putting it all together. You just got to cut them at the right angles and the right lengths, which I'm going to show you. So go ahead and get whatever scrap you're going to be using. Let's get going. Okay, I'm going to go see if I can break this down for you best I can so it's easy for you. I'm also going to put the original drawing that the guy posted on the group. But first size you're going to need is you're going to need 5 pieces that are 5 13/16 inch long. All the cuts are 30 degrees. All the miter angle cuts are 30 degrees. And you're going to need 4 of them where they're cut like this, opposite bevels. And then you're going to need 1 that is cut like that. That is your 5 pieces at 5 13/16 long. So those are those. Your next piece is going to be 6 inches 11/16, and it's going to be cut just like this. You only need 1 of them. Bevel, bevel, 30 degree, 30 degree, same as the other ones. And then your last piece, which is the bottom of the tree, is 10 1/4, and same thing on this. Bevel, bevel, both going inward, 30 degrees. And for mine, on some of them, I went ahead and put a 2-inch hole there for a candle or whatever. You don't have to do that. Make sure you put it on, not on this side, but this side. This is the side that'll be up. This is just a template to set up my saw blade. On that note, templates are awesome. I use these to set my saw back up every single time so it's the same. And then I can just cut them really quick. That way I'm not measuring it out or anything like that. That's what I do. See, these are just my templates. I keep them all together with the fixture, 1 piece. Put these up in the attic so I don't look at them until next year. The easiest way to assemble this, once you get all your pieces cut, is to make yourself a fixture. Something that's going to hold all your pieces, and it'll be the same every single time. And it's going to make the process a lot faster. And as you know, if you're already a woodworker or maybe you're just getting into this, jigs and fixtures are huge in the shop. You almost have to have them. And if you're not using them, you're really wasting some time, and you could really help yourself by making these. Now, there is a difference between jigs and fixtures, and they're often used incorrectly as synonyms. In short, a jig controls and guides the tool to the workpiece. Fixtures are used for supporting the workpiece. Fixtures do not guide the tool. Maybe I should do a whole video on this topic alone. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in more in-depth on jigs and fixtures. So I mean, like a template, for instance, is a form of a jig, if that makes sense. Just like I said, using my fixture, I go ahead and start putting all the pieces in there, and using wood glue, my brad nailer, and maybe a few clamps, I place it all in there, shoot some nails into it. That'll hold, the nails are basically just holding it so the glue dries. And once you pull it out of the jig, you can just set it off to the side, let it dry, and then, you know, you can continue on the process from there. If you're going to be making multiple of these, like I am, then make yourself a fixture. Do yourself a favor. And then really, once I get all the trees made, I've sanded them, all that good stuff, I'm mounting them on a piece of 2x4 that's 4 inches long. That's it. I'm just cutting it 4 inches long, giving it a quick sand, staining it, painting it, whatever you need to do, and then mount it on there with a little bit of glue, shoot a couple brad nails into it. Alright, here's where you can get creative with your trees. You will probably want some variety. Here's what I did. After giving the trees a quick sanding to about 80 grit or so, I went ahead and I painted some, and then I left others natural, but I took a torch to them. The burning always sells. I don't know what it is. It brings out the grain. It looks cool. But anytime I put a torch to it, it's guaranteed to sell. Now with the colors, you can use any colors you like. If you got a favorite football team, use those colors. Whatever you want, get creative. I'll show you what I did. I did some green ones. Put some little white around the edges. Make it look kind of snowy. This one's got a Bethlehem star. It's yellow. Kind of goes with the green. On the natural ones, you know, I left the base just a stained brown with a silver Bethlehem star. I also did a turquoise, put some snow on the edges. This one's got the 3D star from Amazon. So, you know, a white base, because I think you want colors that go with whatever you're going to do. You don't want some craziness in there. I mean, you can do craziness, do whatever you want. This is the part where you get creative. This is the best part of the process, in my opinion. Apologize for any background noise. I got neighbors out everywhere. I don't actually have a studio or shop, so it is what it is. Hey, anyways, the first time I posted these trees, I sold them instantly. And I expect to sell all these. Actually, some of these are already sold, like I said. So they are fun to make, they're easy to make, and they sell every single year. So good luck with yours. Hope y'all liked my Christmas sweater I got in the season. Check out the back, because Halloween is my Christmas. Hey, I'll see y'all later. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.